Hello everyone, I'm Shiva Shankar, working as a safety engineer in an oil and gas field in Abu Dhabi. So today I'm going to share with you about safety tips, something which might be useful for the people who are beginners and wants to do the safety course. Actually, safety is a bit typical course, but nowadays people are coming into the safety more and more. So I might felt, and some people have even asked what is the basic qualification for the safety and what course are nearly and necessary for getting into the safety. So I'll be explaining you something about it. So safety is actually a big technical course, and some people may think anyone can do safety. Yes, of course. For doing safety, you don't need to have any qualifications, background education like engineering or diploma, first of all. But the thing is, you can't get into a well-reputed company unless and until you have some valid course, background course like an engineering degree or a diploma degree. But for those who wants to do this safety course, they should do first NIBOSH. In abroad, I mean in Gulf, moreover this NIBOSH IGC stand for International General Certificate. This NIBOSH IGC is widely accepted in the Gulf. Apart from that, IOSH, managing safely and working safely, as well as OSHA's course, and some other diploma in fire and safety, industrial management. These kind of courses are widely accepted around the Gulf. To do these kind of courses, there are several institutes across India. In each and every major cities, you can find multiple uh, training centers, and mostly these training centers are charging around 45 to 50,000 Indian rupee for in most cases. And those who wants to do, it's a really good business, actually business in the sense it's a good working profession, and the growth is very high for those people who have some technical mind. Of course, we need a little bit of experience to shine in this field, because the new guys, they cannot understand the situation of the safety. They have to work at least as a protection uh, team for some time, then they'll come into safety, then that's going to be a good. Apart from that, it won't help much, because I myself worked uh, in a company in a production field for nearly 2 years, and then I got into the safety, I mean fully safety. So I suggest you guys to do the same thing. Don't come into the safety as soon as your studies are over. Just work somewhere and get some experience, nearly 1 years of experience. Only then you can get through the examination, because earlier the examination was little easy, but nowadays the validation is tough. The question paper itself has many tougher questions. So I find some people even saying they have some 8 9 attempts before they pass the examination. So for those people, what I suggest, have some experience from the field before enrolling yourself into safety course, or before writing safety examination. So if you have any doubts regarding the safety, if you need safety books for studies, or you have any technical clarifications in the safety, because I have 9 years of experience, and I know both process safety as well as the personal safety, and there is a huge difference between the both. Most of the people, they don't understand what is what. So for your information, uh, process safety deals with the process industries like oil and gas process, or any chemical industries process, and they deal with the process parameters like temperature, pressure, flow, pH, conductivity, these kind of things. And they will conduct multiple hazardous studies like process hazard analysis, HAZOP, HAZID, and QRA, PHASER, and these kind of studies are mainly related to the process side, and they mainly deal with the minimization of consequences and mitigation of the risk occurs from the fire, explosion, or loss of primary contaminant. I mean this product release, the cargo release, actually hydrocarbon release. but personal safety is much more easier as we think, because personal safety deals with our day-to-day activity, what we are going to do at site, like scaffolding or painting, blasting, or even vehicular safety. So these kind of thing mainly comes under the personal safety. So don't confuse these guys now. So what I want you to do, just study first you get a safety course, and then come into personal safety. Then if you have a good chance, if you have a good exposure and good understanding about the safety, definitely you can go into the process side, where your salary might be increased a lot. So thank you for watching this, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe it. Also, I can speak in Tamil and Hindi as well, so I can possibly speak 4 languages. So if you have any doubts in your language, if you don't understand the video and all, you can personally text me down. I am happy to clarify your doubts.